Hi guys, so I used my sunscreen first, so let's just do a little bit of makeup and also talk. I know I'm not actually the kind of person that shares things. Actually, I wanted to do this tape makeup that is trending now, but I've not been able to go out to get tapes, and I went out yesterday to the supermarket, and for reasons I don't know, on a path to living my dream, right? Yeah, let's talk about the new year. This new year has been traumatic for me. Traumatic, maybe it might not be so bad for a lot of persons. I'm coming, let me make this damp a little. This new year has kind of made me feel, question who I am, question a lot of things, and I don't know, the new year has not been at all what I expected it to be. You know, like, people coming into the new year, they are very optimistic and they have positive thoughts. I mean, like, everybody is very prepared for the new year, and they're very optimistic, hoping that new things will happen, and even if not new nice things, but probably they will get better or they will have better experiences. But this is February, and I can tell you that I've had to be sad and possibly even cried about a lot of things, and most of them are from the fact that probably you're expecting certain things from certain persons, and it just turns out that they're not who they think they are. And one thing is, if you know me very well, I'm the kind of person, right, that trusts people. Trusting people is not a chore for me, and that's why I limit the number of persons that come into my space, because I can trust it for no reason, right? And I think I got it from my dad. My dad sees the good in everybody, so most times somebody might be bad to me, I might not even say, probably the time I'll say it will be late already. So that's just who I am, and I don't recommend that to anybody, because people are full of, I don't know, uncertainty. Sometimes people do things they really do not want to do. Some persons are bad, or some persons hurt other people out of reflex. So it's not like it's their intention to hurt anybody, but that's just how they are. So there's no such thing as perfect persons. So that's why you have to go out there protecting yourself and knowing when to walk out. Speaking of when to walk out, I always just keep giving people second chances and all that. So this is just like a chit chat, so you guys should let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've had similar experiences, just let me know, and if you have tips on how to just navigate this whole thing, being disappointed or having high expectations from people and they just don't meet up to your expectations in reality. This is the points I've gotten to in this makeup. I'm just doing something very little. Please, you guys should engage. I did not come out all here for you guys not to engage, so you guys should engage. Tell me what you think. I don't want to say I have attachment issues, but leaving people, moving on from people, first of all, I don't open up. So when I open up, letting go is a little bit difficult. So I'm asking in this video, do you move on when someone you have high expectations, high hopes, like someone you really trust, when they do things that you know you shouldn't handle, right? Like really bad stuff that are not nice. So when they do these things to you, do you move on? Like, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Because for me, right, the first thing that comes to my mind is processing how to forgive these persons. I might not necessarily speak to you, right? Like, I might not really speak to you for a while, not like malice or silent treatment, but we might not have like nice conversations. If you say hi and I'm there, like if you say hi to me, I'll definitely respond, but maybe conversations, things might not be the way they used to be. Do you get me? My lips is already funny. Meanwhile, guys, if you're new to my channel and you're seeing this video for the first time, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. This is like the first time I'm talking about random things on my channel. So if you're new, kindly subscribe. So I'm using an eye pencil as usual, So before now, I used to overline my lips, and I don't know why. So I'm not overlining today. Actually, recently I've not been overlining. So the next thing we're going to use clear lip gloss. Funny thing is, I've used other lip glosses, clear lip glosses, but I just seem to like Absolute. Some persons might say it's because it's affordable. Yes, as an undergraduate, I know that things being affordable is like one reason I should buy anything. But apart from being affordable, you can wear this lip gloss for a very long time, right? And it serves the purpose, so I really do love it. My eyebrow slips. So my eyebrow slips. In my opinion, this is very okay. You can do the modifications where you want, depending on the color of eyeshadow you want to use, but for me, I think this is okay for a no foundation makeup look. As always, wear my glasses and see how it looks, because I literally always wear glasses. So guys, please try so much to engage. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.